My dear brothers and sisters, we are reading during these days small parts of the extracts of the final discourse Jesus gave to his disciples. And today's short part we heard is a little confusing. We heard in the gospel the disciples themselves were confused. What does Jesus mean by saying, "A little while you will see me, and again, a little while you will not see me"? So what do we understand by these words of Jesus? I'm sure you're talking about two things, about his passion and death, also about his resurrection. Jesus had come to the world with a mission, and the mission was to show the Father's face. The Father is loving. The Jews believed only one thing, that for them the Torah given by Yahweh in the Old Testament, 10 Commandments, was the only means to salvation. If they kept it, they'll be saved. But the same leaders had multiplied these 10 laws into 636 so-called small laws. The life had become difficult to live. Jesus says there's only one law. He goes beyond the Torah. And the law is law of love. So all this doctrine that Jesus was speaking about the disciples, to the Jews and leaders, was confusing for the Jews. And they said, we must do away with this man because he is in a way not keeping up the laws of Moses. And therefore Jesus says, a little while you'll see me. Which means a little while, in a few days you'll arrest me and crucify me. And all of you will rejoice. And his own disciples will be in sorrow. But this second part, you will no longer see the historical Jesus who lived with you these 3 years. You will see a risen Lord, not just for a short while, but lifelong. He'll accompany you on a journey, reminding us that death is not the end of our life. We have the resurrection. We are not people of Good Friday. We are Christians of Easter Sunday. Second, reminds us two things. As we live on this earth, as we sojourn on this earth, we have our crosses, big and small, to carry. But they're all for a little while. Let's not forget that beyond that, there is a new life, provided we have faith that when these crosses come alive, the Lord is accompanying us to carry those crosses, and beyond that, He will give new life. We ask, Lord, that this truth, little whiles, may sing into our hearts, that all these little whiles are for a short period. Beyond that, if we hope, we believe and trust in Him, we'll surely get a bright light into our life, the courage to move on in life.